Guys, I just went to Trader Joe's. I'm gonna show you guys what I have. So first is this delicious chopped salad kit. It is dill pickle flavored. I think this is just like the most delicious thing ever. No pun intended. It's healthy. Next is gonna be this cruciferous crunch collection. It has all this healthy stuff in it. So I guess I'm on a salad kick. I just can't stop eating salad stuff, but I think this is really good. This one does not come with dressing. So there are two of my favorites that I also purchased. So the first one is this strawberry basil vinaigrette, and the second one is this red wine vinegar. So I can't wait to try that together. I don't think I've had that together before. This one is so delicious. This is the organic Mediterranean style salad kit. This stuff is so good. This actually made me realize that I love red wine vinaigrette. I did not know that before I had this. There's one more thing I would recommend with this salad kit, and that's this Mediterranean style hummus. This is so delicious. This is what the side looks like. When you put these together, it tastes so much like a kava bowl. So I really recommend eating them together. So that's pretty much all the first bag. Second bag, these blue corn tortilla chips. These are so healthy for you. I have a whole video talking about the benefits of blue corn tortilla chips along with a few other foods that you should definitely try to swap for. I'll put a link somewhere on this screen, but this is so delicious. I highly recommend it. Then there's this Indian Fare yellow takadal. I like to keep a pack of this in my office just for those days where maybe I woke up late, I didn't have enough time to make a lunch, or I didn't make one the night before, and I don't want to starve, but I want to eat healthy. It is a little high in sodium, but it is still really healthy for you. It has lentils. I feel like I really took a chance on this food. I've never heard of this before, and I tried it. It's delicious. So I know from the picture alone, I probably would never have tried it before, but my husband encouraged me, and it's worth it. So definitely try it. It's super cheap. It's about $2, but I think it makes a really great emergency food item, especially for work. Then there's this organic tomato and roasted red pepper soup with low sodium. So if you felt bad about the previous item, this one has low sodium. You don't have to feel bad. I do recommend adding like seasonings to this. I like to put chili powder in it. I like to make this with grilled cheese sandwiches and then dip those in the soup. I think that's so delicious, quick and easy. And the next item is this, sorry about the sticker. But this seltzer with a splash. I like the cranberry and lime juice, but they have a lot of different flavors, and it's pretty much zero in everything, but it is 5 calories. So if you're worried about that, this is what the nutrition facts look like. I think this is a really great alternative to if you really want a Coke, because it's kind of like, you know, it's kind of like you're getting a Coke, but you're not. And then there are 3 items that I already had that I didn't want to repurchase, but I wanted to show you. First one is this Trader Joe's salmon rub. I like to use this on salmon, but also on vegetables. I think it tastes so good. This is my second jar, and I love it. This Atlantic salmon with lemon herb butter. This is a little pricier, so I don't buy this super often, but I think it's so good. And then these vegan cookies and cream vanilla bean bonbons are so good also. And like, these are a little expensive. You only get 6 of them, and I want to say it's about $4 or $5. But they're really good. I actually bought this stuff to try and make them myself, but I have not had success on the chocolate yet. Like, it's just super messy and it gets all on my fingers, so I'm gonna keep buying it for now. But if I figure this out, I'm gonna make a video, I promise you. Okay, so I'm gonna start putting this food away. I hope you guys found something that you might wanna try next time. Until next time, bye.